In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to really add icons in text in Notion, and no, we're not just talking about emojis. This guide will walk you through the process of incorporating unique icons to make your pages not only functional, but also visually engaging. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open up the specific page in Notion where you plan on adding your icons. Remember, these icons can help break up text, emphasize key ideas, or simply make your workspace feel more inviting and personalized. When you have your page open, it's time to get started. In the top left corner of your page, you'll notice a button that says Add Icon. This is your gateway to customizing your Notion page with visually appealing symbols. So go ahead and click on that button. Now, if you're thinking that your only option here would be emojis, think again. We're going beyond the typical here. Once you've clicked Add Icon, you'll want to select the Upload option. This lets you bring in any icon you like from your device, opening up a realm of possibilities. Whether you have downloaded icons from the web or created your own custom designs, this is where you can really start to personalize your workspace. After selecting Upload, you'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. You'll want to navigate to where you have your icon saved. A little tip here: ensure your icons are in a compatible format, such as PNG or JPEG, to ensure they display correctly. After you find your desired icon, go ahead and select it. Next, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Notion does a great job of guiding you through the final steps to ensure your icon appears exactly where you want it. You'll see it instantly added right next to or above your text, creating a standout visual element on your page. As you go through these steps, remember that the icons you choose can speak volumes about your page's personality or the mood of your content. You can pick professional-looking icons for a sleek, modern workspace, or go for something more whimsical if that suits your style or the project you're working on. Experiment with different designs to see what best fits the tone you want to set. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now added custom icons into your Notion page, bringing a new dimension to your note-taking or project management experience that goes beyond mere text or common emojis. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope these tips help you make your Notion pages even more engaging and unique. Be sure to experiment with different icons and have fun finding what works best for you. Until next time, keep customizing and creating in Notion.